Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow bitter melon. Now, bitter melons are just like any other melon. They grow on a vine and they're easy to grow. So the materials that you will need are a bitter melon plant, and usually you start them from seed in the spring, and a nice area to grow them. Raised beds are the best. So first step, you start the seeds in the spring after the last frost. So actually, it's almost better to wait into even the beginning of June where it's really warm. You don't want the cold nights because they're more of a warm climate plant. You start them in raised beds and you just sprinkle the seeds in about 1 inch deep and just put them into little rows and they will come up immediately. Next step, they'll grow all summer long, and in the fall they'll produce these wonderful bitter melons. And you can cook them in many different ways. And once they're done producing the melons, you can just pull up the plant because it's not going to come back the next year in cold climates especially, and just use it for compost. Bitter melons are pretty easy to grow as long as you give them lots of sun and good drainage and lots of room because they make a big vine. They're a great addition to your garden.